Have you read the newspaper today?
No. Yes.
It reports yet another case of drunken display. A young life was snuffed out in a crime. A future was lost, and it wasn't her crime. So Riverside, we present to you the story of her life, so that the others can learn from her strife. We see just a few moments of your precious time, and we hope for awareness, enablement, and empowerment through this life. So are you ready? I know a girl who went to a party where people drink to be very smarty. But she took the advice of her mom and didn't touch the rum. This is the story of her life, which tells us not to drink and drive. Yo!
Oh, you're looking gorgeous. Where are you going? Please tell us.
I'm going for a party, not far from here. Somewhere easy. I'll be later here.
Don't even touch liquor or beer, or you might have an accident. I fear.
Don't worry, Ma. Have no fear. I won't even go near you.
Promise? Then go, my child. But still be careful, for others may drink and drive. And the scene can be frightful.
Okay, Ma. Bye.
Bye-bye. See you. Have a great time.
just throw about. Thinking is what's about. She walked right in the night when no one was in sight. Come on, Alex, let's go! Now she can feel her blood, lying in all the mud. We can let our ocean. Who was driving? Oh.
The guy was drunk who tried to behave like a hunk.
And who gives wheels to a 16-year-old?
Too much money, not enough parental hold.
This is what happens with young wayward lads.
Who don't have sensible moms and dads.
The girl's condition is very bad. She might not survive. It's very sad. Standing there one cop who shouted, "Just stop!" The boy who caused this was drunk, who tried to be a hunk. His voice sounds far away. She comes, still.
Tell sister not to be afraid, Mom. Tell Daddy to be brave. When I go to heaven, put Mommy's God on my face. My breath is getting shorter, Mom. I'm really getting scared. These are my final moments. I'm so unprepared. I wish that I could hold you as I lie here and I die. I wish that I could say, I love you, Mom. So I love you. Goodbye. I'm back, and I was lucky. This is the story of my life. Many innocent people are killed thanks to drivers who are drunk. Friends, I would like to share my message. Please do not drink and drive. In fact, don't drink. It's very harmful.